Soil classification. Soil can be classified according to their physical characteristics such as color, texture, structure. The color of the soil will depend on the mineral composition of the parent rock. If soil was formed from a rock containing a lot of iron compounds, it tends to be brownish, yellow, reddish, or orange in color. Dark gray, gray-brown, or black-colored soils are so due to the presence of humus and other substances in the soil, such as peat and more or less decomposed plant residues. Soil color influences soil temperature. Dark soil absorbs and retains more heat than light-colored soil. High temperature affects the activity of soil microorganisms. Soil microorganisms will be more active in high temperature, and under such conditions, decay of organic matter is faster than in the low temperature. Soil textural classes. Soil can also be classified according to soil texture, which refers to their proportion of particle sizes. Loamy soil. They contain 30%, 50% sand, 50%, 70% silt and clay, 0.4% organic matter. Clayey loams contains 20%, 50% sand, 20%, 60% silt and clay, 0.1%, 6% organic matter. They are finely textured and poorly drained and have a high water holding capacity. Sandy soil contains 50%, 80% sand, 20%, 50% silt and clay, 0.1%, 3% organic matter. Very well drained. Coarse textured and moderately fertile. Low water holding capacity, prone to erosion. Less stable structure on the surface. Easy to cultivate and can be improved by addition of organic manure. Silty loams contains 20%, 30% sand, 70%, 80% silt and clay, 0.1%, 4% organic matter. Fine texture, well drained. Good water holding capacity, moderately fertile and aerated. Chemical properties of soil. Soil pH is the degree of acidity or alkalinity level of soil solution. A pH scale is used to estimate the degree of acidity and alkalinity. The scale runs from 1 to 14 with neutral pH at the midpoint. The lower numbers present acidic conditions. Numbers above 7 represent alkaline conditions. The degree of acidity depends on the concentration of hydrogen ions in the soil solution. A high concentration of hydrogen ions makes the soil acidic. In pH scale, the numbers are negative logarithms or powers. For example, at pH 4, the amount of hydrogen ion concentration is, there are alkalis in the soil solution which neutralize the acids. These are metals in solution form. During heavy rains, these alkalis are leached and are replaced by hydrogen ion. Higher rainfall regions have high soil acidity. Plants also exhaust the alkali content of the soil by using them as nutrients. Influence of soil pH on mineral availability, on plant growth and production. Soil pH affects availability of various nutrients. Low pH makes phosphorus and molybdenum less available. High pH makes manganese, potassium, iron, boron, and zinc less available. Very acidic or alkaline conditions affect activities of microorganisms, particularly nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Hence, acidic soils contain very low level of nitrates. The activities of most beneficial microorganisms are at their optimum at pH 5.5. 7.8 different crop species react to pH in a different manner. For each crop species, there is an optimal range of soil. pH, for example, coffee does well at pH 5. 3-6.0. Modifying soil pH. In lowering acidity or increasing soil pH, the following can be done. Application of lime. This is a basic compound which raises soil pH after some time. Application of a basic fertilizer. In raising acidity or lowering soil pH, the following can be done. Application of an acidic fertilizer such as sulfate of ammonia. Application of sulfur. Experiment to find the percentage of soil water content. Introduction to farm tools and equipment. Things that make farm work easier are referred to as tools and equipment. In carrying out farming operations, several tools and equipment are required. Why do farmers use tools and equipment? To make farm operations easier, for example. Transport of farm produce like sugarcane illustrated here to increase efficiency. Crop watering operations easier to minimize injuries to livestock and operator. This irrigation system is an equipment making. Restraining of livestock makes livestock handling easier when milking. Milking equipment enables stocksperson
Hi guys,
to be more efficient in the
if this is the
operation.
first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.